Hi guys, you're welcome to our program on natural medicine. Coming across our page for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channels at Glory Queen of Rosary Videos. It will put a smile on your face. Well, today our topic is on the medicinal values of plantain fruit. Plantain fruit, dodo, bole. You can make bole from this, and this is dodo for you. But if you are a candidate to diabetes, if you have diabetes, if you have kidney problem, if you have liver problem, if you have high cholesterol and you want it to become history in your life, fine, it's good. You can take all the drugs, the herbs you are prescribed to take. But if you want to use natural source to beat down metabolic disorders like diabetes, like a fatty liver, like kidney stone, and many more, this is one of the herbs that can help you in green form. As you see this plantain fruit now, if you have it in your house, and you know that we Africans, we like to swallow food. We like to swallow food. Swallow is 50% part of the kind of food we eat. What you will do is to get mortar, or you spend money, buy yam poundo kit. Yam poundo kit. Every day when you make your choice of soup, like okra soup, like ogbono soup, a goosey melon soup, or any kind of soup you like, you just cut only two out of unripe plantain like this. Cut two, wash properly, remove the tips here, remove the stalk here, leave the green leaf, the green cover of the plantain, then slice into bits. Slice into bits. After slicing, you put it into the pot and quietly boil it very, very well. After boiling 2 or 3, according to the size of your stomach, the one that will make you feel satisfied that you have eaten swallow, you now put it down. After boiling, you put it into the mortar and match it properly, or you put into the yam poundo. It will quietly grind it for you. After grinding, you put in the plate, just like amala, just like a fufu, just like pounded yam. You swallow it. You see now that there is no starch, there is no carbohydrate. All the medicinal aspect of it are trapped into this. And after swallowing, after doing it, you swallow it like that. The following day, you keep eating unripe plantain swallow on daily basis. Instead of eating artificial food like semo, like gari, pounded yam, this, that, semo, this. You drop all of them and face this. You see that not only that this very plantain will give you all the nutrients, the mineral salts that will support your body, and then step down the sugar level of the body, remove cholesterol, stop the growth of cancer cells, stop the growth of abnormal cells, tumor, bad eyesight, and many more. That is just for swallow. Apart from to swallow, there are lots of things you can do with dodo. You can as well roast unripe one. After roasting, you use red oil to eat it. Use pepper, red oil, and many more. You can as well. Well, for medicinal values, I think the best is unripe plantain. You can as well eat unripe plantain boiled with fish, boiled with crayfish to boost your immune system. You can also take it in different form, slice them into bits. After slicing, you dry. After drying with the skin, you now go to the level of grinding the dried seed into powder. After grinding it into powder, into ogigi, native custard, every morning and night. That's another way of giving yourself a new lease of good health. If you go on all these things, when there is trace of cancer in your system, as food replacement therapy, you will see how your health will come to a magnificent condition. You see, when those things that the cancer cells used to feed on, when they don't see it in your system, they tend to die off. The body tends to eat them off, and your health will come back to normal. That is unripe plantain for you. Well, you can as well cook this unripe plantain with beans. You can cook it with beans, and when you cook it with beans, it gives you another dimension of good health when you take them. Dr. Ifeyinwa Ezeke reporting. Our phone numbers are 080-3310-4752 Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. Our WhatsApp number will be on the screen with 2 different numbers. So if you don't get this one on the screen, you can get the other one. Subscribe to our YouTube channels at Glory Queen of Rosary Videos. It will put a smile on your face. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.